Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we will look at an example involving the volume and surface area of a pyramid.
In this question, we are given that we have a right rectangular pyramid that has the base with dimension 16 cm by y cm, and then the pyramid has a height of 7 cm and a volume of 896 cm cubed. So what we need to do now is to work backwards to find the value of y. So to do that, we can use the volume formula, which is 1/3 times the base area times the height of the pyramid. So we are given that the volume is 896. The base area is 16 times y, which is just 16y. And then the height of the pyramid is 7. So in order for us to find y, we need to have 896 times 3 divided by 16 and divided by 7. So if you press your calculator for this, you will be able to get 24. Alright, so y is 24. Now that we know y, we need to find the total surface area of the pyramid. So to find the total surface area, we have the base area, which is just 16 times y, and since we already know that y is 24, that would be easy to find the base area. Then we need to find the area of two such triangles, which I have shaded in pink over here. So in order to find the area of this pink triangle, I will need to know the base of the triangle, which is y, and that y is 24, and I will need to know this height of the triangle. So in order to find this height, which is the slant height of the lateral face, I will need this right angled triangle over here. Okay, let me just draw it out in red. Okay, so this right angle triangle over here, okay, we can see that the height of the triangle is 7. The base of the triangle is actually half of 16, which is 8. Alright, so in order to find this slant height, which I will call L, okay, we will need to apply Pythagoras theorem. So L squared is 7 squared plus 8 squared. So that will give us, if you press your calculator, 113. So L would be square root of 113, which we will leave that as our exact working answer. So after I find this slant height, I will be able to find the area of the pink triangle, and I have 2 of it. So the next thing that I need to find is actually the area of this triangle face over here, which I'm going to shade in yellow. Alright, so to find the area of this triangle, I know that the base of the triangle is 16. So I will need to be able to find the slant height of this lateral triangular face. And to do that, okay, I again need another right angled triangle, which I am going to try to draw out here in green. Okay, and this right angled triangle is actually over here, like that. Okay, so again, the height of the triangle is still 7. The base is half of 24, which is 12. So in order to find this slant height, which I will call capital L, okay, I am going to use Pythagoras theorem again, and I'm going to have L squared equals to 12 squared plus 7 squared. So again, let's use the calculator, and we will get 193 for L squared. So L would be the square root of 193 cm. So now that we have found all the slant height of the lateral faces, we can find the total surface area. So the total surface area will just be made up of the rectangular base, which is 16 times y, which is 24, plus 2 times of the pink triangle, half times the base of the pink triangle is 24, times the height of the pink triangle, which is the square root of 113, plus 2 times of the yellow triangle, half times base, which is 16, times the height, which is 193. Okay, and I can press my calculator. 861 Okay, cm squared as our 3SF answer.
Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more Ninja level math videos.